Hey, Edna Wilson here, your hometown realtor as hometown apple pie with this week's Education Corner. Hey, today we're going to talk about the amazing thing of what you can do to lower your home price. What? Yep, that's a thing. A lot of times sellers don't even realize that they're actually lowering the price of their home when you do some home improvements. Let's talk about them because there's several that we can look at. Number one, don't cheap out on landscaping. We got to get the buyers in the door, and the only way to do that is curb appeal, curb appeal, curb appeal. So don't go to Lowe's and buy the cheapest of cheaps, and you know what I'm talking about, the 99-cent pansies or whatever, and think that's going to cut it when the flowers are only this big. We need big landscapes, and we need fresh mulch, and we need it to look gorgeous. Those are things you can do definitely to help the value of your home. Number two is actually flooring. I see this all the time. You know, you're walking down the aisle at Home Depot and, hey, that flooring's on sale, or hey, that flooring's on sale. Don't do it. Today's trend is definitely to have one consistent flooring in a home. My daughter likes to call it a flooring crisis. And that is one thing you have to avoid, is a flooring crisis. Buyers do not like different floors in different areas. Bite the bullet, put in good floors. And by the way, most buyers really like the vinyl plank right now. It is definitely the hottest thing out there. Number three, converting the garage. Sometimes sellers think, oh, look at all the extra square footage I have. But the truth is, many times, sellers actually want a garage. Buyers want garages. Most of my buyers want garages. They don't necessarily need a craft room or a workout room or what have you. Don't convert the garage and leave it garageless. Nobody wants a garageless house. A few people do, but definitely diminishes your buyer pool. Then lastly, make sure you don't ruin the floor plan. What do I mean by that? So many times, especially homes that are a little bit older, are called functionally obsolete. That means the floor pattern doesn't work anymore, and so you change it up. But you got to be careful because sometimes you can do damage in changing it up. Maybe converting a bedroom into a larger bathroom, or taking a bedroom and making it more of the garage, or taking away features that buyers really want. So before you're considering any remodeling project, give me a call. Let's talk it through so you don't make a mistake that actually lowers the value of your house. Have a great day. Stay safe. Edna Wilson, your hometown realtor as hometown's apple pie.